Hey everyone, welcome to the Volleyball Data Lab. I'm your host, Tyler Widdison, and I've got our studio fired up, ready to dive into some serious data learning. As the former performance analyst for USA Beach Volleyball, I know firsthand the importance of being able to handle loads of data. In this series, we will break down the use of R so it becomes easier to use. So get ready to spike your data skills. Let's get started. All right, welcome to part 3. We're going to be talking about distinct. Distinct is getting the unique values of one column. It's pretty simple. It's a very simple function. It's just, hey, how many matches are there? I am going to first load up this data that I've put together. As you can see, my working directory is correct. If I hit df, there we go. So let's say I want to know how many files are in my data frame, in my 4,000 rows, 4,500 rows. You can hit df pipe and then distinct, and then that will come up if you start spelling it wrong or something. And then you can say match ID 3. There you go. So this works obviously with multiple columns. You could do that with, so another trick, if you hit the up arrow, that will return the most recent code you typed in. Let's do it up here so we can see what's happening. Distinct. I am df. Make our code look nice because then it's readable and easier to manage and maintain as it gets larger and larger. I'm going to say match ID, and let's say player name. See what that does. So, so this gives us all the even the NAs. We're not talking about NAs yet, but that basically means no one did anything for that skill. The skill is most likely a point or a rotation, something like that. You could also throw in team. So this is similar to select. However, it's not selecting every single row. It's only selecting the unique values for the 3 columns I currently have. So let's say, for example, one of these players did not play in one of these matches, they would not show up. There's a way to find that, but I'm not going to go far into this. I'm just talking about distinct. So you could even say distinct skill, team skill. And if you wanted to get really tricky, you could Control-Shift-M for pipe, hit enter, because we want clean code, and then count. And then that's it. If you hit Control-Enter from there, that will not work properly unless I do. That's because I didn't group. It's telling me that there's 61 rows, and that is correct. That's a different video. I tried to jump ahead. That was poor. So anyways, distinct. It's the unique value. Pretty simple.